There's Richard with his new collar on. It might be a little too loose. He might lose it today. Richard, you want to go for a walk? Good boy, good boy. You just want to eat some grass? You just want to eat some grass? I ate a tiny bit of shrooms. A tiny bit, a small bit. I'm not tripping balls, but I feel it. Just helps with the anxiety. Come on, cat boy. The grass is looking super green. Richard, is that why it's so exciting? Because the grass is so green? Come on, buddy. Are you just cold? Let's go for another walk, bro. It's 50 degrees. Let's go. 5-0. Good boy, good boy. Let's get moving.